Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your mouse sensitivity on a Mac. I don't have a Mac myself, but I'll explain it step by step so you can follow along easily. First, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, scroll down and click on Mouse. Here you'll see an option called Tracking Speed. This controls how fast your mouse pointer moves across the screen. If you slide it all the way to the left, your mouse will move very slowly, which can be frustrating. Sliding it to the right makes it faster, helping you navigate quickly across your screen. Most people will find a comfortable speed somewhere in the middle. Adjust it until it feels just right for you. And that's it. Even though I don't have a Mac to show it live, following these steps will let you easily change your mouse sensitivity. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mac tips and tutorials.